Greg Galding has sponsorship from Panini. Chase Elliott is good at road courses. He once won 4 road course races in a row. Derek Kraus attended Stratford High School. He was on the school's wrestling team, and as a freshman, he played football.
Ooh.
In the 2017 NASCAR Xfinity Series season, Bubba Wallace finished 6th place 5 times in a row. This card is an orange parallel, and it is exclusive to the box that I got. Jet Burton won his first NASCAR Xfinity Series race at Talladega Superspeedway in 2021. Cole Custer is the second youngest NASCAR sanctioned winner ever. John Hunter Nemechek is named after his late uncle John Nemechek.